many years ago, guess where stories were? Stories were where? In the heart. Now, so the story I'm going to tell you is going to be a very simple one, but I'm going to need you to work with me. There's this song you do in school when you talk about all the continents. Do you remember that song? South America, or what is it, North America? Sharon, you're supposed to be my helper. Okay.
South America, North America, Europe, Africa, and Asia.
Do you know it? Do you know the song?
Don't forget Italia, and don't forget Italia.
Well
These
done.
are the continents. These
No,
are the
that's not
continents. These are the continents
Oh,
of our world.
Africa. And in Africa, I'm going to tell you two things. We're going to talk about family and we're going to talk about love. So myself and my daughter read a book and we loved the book. And that book is now in our what? Hearts. Very good. Thank you, Chamara. Then I'm going to tell you about love. In every family, what? There is what? Love. Thank you. So this story was about an animal, a chicken. She asked her mom, the chick asked the chicken, do you love me? And my daughter said to me, do you love me? Every time you say to your mom or to your parents, do you love me? And the parents will say, yes. And the child said to the parents, even when I'm naughty, this is why, that's why you have to ask, why do you love me? This is the behavior. So this chick asked the mom, do you love me? And the mom said yes. And the chick said, even when I'm naughty? And the mom said yes. Even when I've done everything wrong? And the mom said yes. He said, even when I come last in my race? And the mom said yes. And so many things, just like when your mom comes to pick you up from play dates and you say, I don't want to go. And she said, Mommy, do you love me? And Mommy says yes. And the chick said to the mom, why do you love me? And the mom said, because you are my child. And that's why I love you. Sometimes you make me angry. Sometimes you make me mad. But you know what? Most times you make me what?
Happy.
Most times you make me what?
Happy.
Excited. Most times you make me what?
Happy.
Proud. Most times you make me happy. Yeah? Because once you came into my life, I knew what? Love. So you children bring your parents what? Love. Even when you're not what? Listening. So do you know what the chick said? The chick said to the mom, I love you too. Sometimes I know I make you sad. Sometimes I know I make you angry. But most of all, Mommy and Daddy, you are my best friend and I love you. So you know what we started with? We started with Africa. And we talked about what? Family. Guess what? In all the different continents, there are families and there is love. No matter where you find yourself, you know your parents what? Love you. So yes, you do sometimes make one angry. And the African angry is not quiet angry. We are angry. And we raise our voice, but we love you. Children, listen. But thank you. I hope you enjoyed my story. You did. Very good. So we love you. Go give your mom a hug. Go find your mom and dad and give them a hug. Quickly.